Are you a citizen, a permanent resident, or even a student with eligibility to work, and you are living in either Canada or in the United States? Come closer. Let me help you to start and own your business. All you need to do right now, type in the comment section, say I am interested. And I will send you a private message with a link to my free mentoring session. And I will also be hosting a free information session on Saturday as well. So leave a comment in the comment section right now, and I will get back to you through a private message. I'm going to respond to only those that indicated interest by replying I'm interested.